Hey everybody, Sarah here. Welcome back with another monthly Plan With Me. Got my friend Emily here.
Wait, Sarah, can I do the Plan With Me hands?
But we just...
Can I do it with
you can get in here. It's already...
Welcome to Plan With Me.
We both have fancy nails.
We both have hands.
Oh, what a thought. Anyway, it's April. We're doing it. We're pretty hyper. We've had lots of coffee. I've had lots of coffee. Gonna drink all that fucking coffee. And now that they pointed out that I don't
Swear.
we met some
Beautiful.
lovely. Oh, I hate saying. I don't want to say fans. This sounds really fucking egotistical or something.
Viewers.
Viewers / people who have ordered from the shop in the past.
Yeah.
Hey.
Wow.
And they were like, she was like, I saw that it said whether you swear in the beginning of the video, but you don't ever swear. And I was like, that's true. Why don't I fucking swear more?
Time to say balls, shit, and fuck.
It's not. It's not like I'm monetized anymore. Thanks, YouTube.
Also,
so
if you have children watching, I'm very sorry.
I'm sorry, but it's happening now. It's happening, and we're dropping the bombs.
We're dropping the
The F bombs, and I thought I heard Simon burp, and I got really excited, but that was just us.
Sometimes I swear without thinking, but if I think about swearing, I get embarrassed.
The worst is if you swear in public really loud, and then you look over and there's a child, and you're like, oh shit. Like,
I know.
I've kind of trained myself to stop swear now.
Recently, I was in front of, I said recently, it was 2 years ago. I'm sorry. I was in front of my grandmother and I was telling a story about how someone stole my bicycle and immediately crashed into a tree and broke it. And I was heated and I said, fuck. Like really angry.
Did she just like whack you across the head?
She didn't just like listen to the story. She like opened her mouth and turned towards me and gave me the most disapproving look. But the thing is, she swears like a sailor. She's not.
Bitch stole your bicycle.
I know, and I was like, it was a brand new bicycle. I literally had it for a week, and then it was stolen, and someone rode it down a hill and into a tree.
They didn't even use it.
It didn't even get a block. Like if someone stole my bicycle and they were just out in the world using my bike,
they were like, I just really need this.
I would have been like, yeah, I'm pissed, but whatever. But they didn't even get down the hill. They crashed into a tree.
So
and
it's probably
broke
some
it.
drunk asshole just being like, no, I gotta take this bike.
They just like reached over my fence.
I'm gonna take this bike and I'm so drunk I'm gonna fucking drive you to
I'm gonna
this
have a great time.
fucking tree.
Yeah. This bicycle is perfect.
Welcome to how I really talk in real life. I just make really weird sound effects for everybody gets a sound effect. Hi, I'm Emily. I wear glasses. I do art things. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know.
I look like a sexy witch.
I'm a sexy witch, and everybody tries to hit on me when I go on the bus, and
Even
I
bus
don't.
drivers.
Even bus drivers.
In the dead of winter.
Why?
Oh.
All right, so we've got. These guys are a little separate, but
Those are so cute.
they're so cute.
I don't have this type of planner, and honestly, I'm super jealous because
You
it's
have a happy
adorable.
planner, right?
I have a happy.
I'm gonna draw a face in this one. Should I make it happy or sad?
Super angry.
Oh, it's kind of too late.
You could still make it angry.
No.
Okay, never mind. Fine.
Happy or sad?
Pouting.
So sad.
Okay. Oh, I don't know if it's. We could also do more happy faces in the top part too. If anybody's crying now, I'm crying with you.
Because I'm leaving. Yeah, it should be sad. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. That works.
Honestly,
Bye-bye, Canada.
is my best
Bye-bye,
friend.
poutine. Bye-bye, ketchup chips.
what about Emily Drohan? Huh?
Oh, right. Bye, Emily. What about me?
What about May?
What about me? I'm not going to know anybody.
No.
It's just...
I'm not gonna know anybody.
My husband, he likes to work until 7 o'clock at night every day or longer, and then he's rabble.
Talking to your cat more? I was gonna say talking to your cat. You already do.
Oh yeah.
It's just more.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It'll just be me and Simon. Me and Simon forever. I love that Easter is also April Fool's Day.
Yeah.
How many parents are gonna mess with their kids and just be like, I don't guess the Easter Bunny hates you. Psych!
So, me and my sister Kate have devised a way to fuse Easter, but like a more adult Easter and April Fools together.
Oh, I know. Hide the eggs 2 weeks early so that they're rotten.
Wrong.
Oh.
I don't want to say anything. Anyway. No. What we've decided is I'm going to print 25 embarrassing pictures of Kate. And hide them.
Oh, right. I think I know what this.
Living room.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hide them in her living room. I'm not gonna tell her where they are. If she finds all 25 and give them to me, I will give her a big chocolate, like big surprise, whatever, blah blah blah, Easter basket. Beautiful. If she doesn't find them, I will not tell her where they are, and I will wait for guests and strangers to find them. And they're gonna be bad. I've already started looking through family albums, picking the choice photographs. There's a couple pictures of her on a dinosaur potty.
Isn't she supposed to do the same thing for
Yes.
you? Oh my god, now I have hiccups.
She is gonna do the same thing, but she's gonna hide them in my bedroom because I don't have a house right now. So
I don't know what other day is gonna be really important. No other day.
Well, you said you were gonna have a going away party. Pick the day.
I don't know if we know what day though, because it's just gonna depend on what works better for people.
It's what works best for
I still
you.
have
It's
to
your
ask.
party.
No, but like, if like 90% of people can only do the Friday, then I'll do the Friday. But if 90% of people are like, I don't even make plans, you're not that special, then
Well, what day are you gonna do it?
I don't know. One of these
End of
2
the
days,
month?
probably. One of these days.
Nobody has a month later planned out.
You'd be surprised. I fucking invite people to my birthday. I'm like a month and a half in advance, and then it
But
comes up, and they're like, no.
To be fair, your birthday's like right on Halloween.
I know, and it
It's like-
sucks.
There's Halloween.
Because nobody will answer because they don't want to commit yet, and they're like, it's so close to Halloween, I don't want to commit, and then they just like don't ever answer.
And like,
So you could have just said no.
to be honest, I was gonna say Halloween month, which is October.
But it's in November.
I know.
So it's usually the weekend after that I end up doing it, and then it still doesn't work out.
I
I just don't have friends who love me. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah.
Birthdays just aren't a thing when you get older. Like,
No, they
they're
are.
not. I'm over it. I'm not, like, and then this year, I'm not gonna know anyone, and it's like my 30th birthday.
I will fly down.
So, I better make some friends fast and be like, please come drink and wallow with me in my self-pity of being 30.
What?
I don't know.
I'm gonna
Are you supposed to
fly to America with a fucking tiger.
get... Here I am.
Like, I'm gonna
ready.
have a tiger on a leash.
All right, I'm gonna put numbers down without talking, because... You're gonna be like laughing or talking like the beginning of everyone. Alright! The numbers are down, that took forever, sorry about it. And then the 26th is when I leave.
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
I should put it here, because like that day's not gonna be important. So like, I'll put it here so I can write there. and put this travel kitty. I've been waiting so long. To use this. Yes, from Kina Prince up on here. Like, yes. Up in here. Up in here. Up in here. Alright, sorry. Got too excited. So there will be no Plan With Me filmed for the week after, because unless I do it like this early. Probably not, because I probably won't even have a lighting equipment in there anymore. Now I'm just mumbling, saying nonsense. Alright. What else? I need a pen for all of that, obviously. I need my other page that has the little half boxes. So I can do the 8th. I have a dinner thing. And then I feel like the Friday might be better for that. Like maybe I should just make it a Friday.
For what?
For the like the like goodbye party, sushi, whatever.
Girl, put it on Friday if you want it.
I'll make it Friday night.
People will accommodate you or they will not.
Yeah, and if they're not, then okay, you're not seeing us before we leave.
Much like Gwen Stefani says, it's my life.
You don't wanna go out of your way for me, then bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. See you never. Just kidding. Hopefully I'll, see some people at some point. But
Yeah, mostly me though.
it's like only me. Nobody else.
And mostly Emily.
Nobody else. I'll put this here because Josh flies up that day. I think. Alright. Alright, what else going on? What else is going on? I don't think there's any other things that are going on, except that we'll put a notice on our, we put a notice, but we'll get our keys. Okay, sorry. We'll do that. We will do that, and I think that's good. I'm probably just gonna do pen after that, so, which is also sped up and crazy. So, I've got a few deco stickers, but I'm going to keep this pretty simple. I've got the coffee ones from Hello Happiness Co. for when I do Productivity Sunday, for which weekends I'll be able to do that. So I think those two will be the last 2 times.
What do you call Productivity Sunday?
So it's my friend Jess. We go to Starbucks down the road, and then I usually just plan my week, and she actually does work. So I'm just I just kind of sit there and I'm like, I'm gonna put this is what I'm gonna work on this day, and this is what I get the more detailed of what I'm gonna work on. And or sometimes I'm coming up with ideas of what I'm gonna
I met
do
her
next,
and she is such a sweetheart. She's so nice.
She's pretty awesome. She's like a social media / writer / author, and so she's helping me with a social media plan because I'm really terrible at posting stuff. So she's gonna help me get ideas and things because I will just delay so much if I don't know what to post about that day as a shop.
I get anxiety.
And it's stupid because I could literally just be like, hey, here's my monthly planner, blip.
I get nervous. I'm like, oh gosh, I've missed the peak part of the day.
I'm a failure. There's no point now.
I haven't posted in literally a month because I'm scared.
You'd never be scared.
I know.
Always
I should just start again. I'll just start again.
So I need to invoice Megan on these days. I'll make that. No, I'll put it there. We'll figure it out. So I don't forget that.
We saw this cutest little lizard at the pet store that looked just
a
like her
little
lizard.
beardy.
But smaller.
It's like a baby beardy. Megan's is still pretty small, but her boyfriend's one, Jimmy, is pretty big. I love him.
I love them. I also
I don't
really-
even know him, but I love him.
I
mean, I know
really
him.
love leopard geckos.
I only love bearded dragons. Like, I never was into lizards, and then I think bearded dragons look hilarious, and I love it.
I mean, yeah, they're really
Like, they
fun.
just look like they're smiling at you, and like, eh.
When they open their mouth,
It's so good. It's so good.
the comedy ensues.
Oh, so good. And then, so I guess I was gonna put one of my croodles for like flying to Seattle and stuff, because I'm already a ball of anxiety about it.
Yeah.
And just like, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. So I'm gonna put I can't adult right now either. Just like, nope, just none of it. Just, I'm not. No friends, gonna hermit for like a week.
She's been talking about every possible outcome.
We haven't covered the plane catching on fire yet or anything.
you talked about it.
I'm not really as worried about the flight itself, except for Simon is on the flight, so I'm worried about him.
The biggest concern is that the stewardess is a serial killer and she will murder us all.
No.
Yeah.
I'm not even worried about the flight except for Simon, but it's more like being in a new country and city,
Yeah.
new time zone. I know 2 people, 3 if you count Josh, but like I don't know the other 2 people that well. I've met them twice.
Yeah.
So it's like the worst for someone with like social anxiety. It was just like, oh great, okay, buddy, bye. But I joined the planner group for Seattle, so I just need to like start posting and being like, hello, be my friend, please. Thank you.
Please hold out your arms. I'm about to jump.
Please, if you like to talk about true crime and if you like cats, then let's be friends. Or if you have a dog, I would love to pet your dog. Okay, thanks.
I'm very interested in murder and Dr. Phil.
My favorite thing is to listen to My Favorite Murder, so that's great. And literally, I'm from another country, so they're gonna be like, I can't be in a room alone with you.
No, they're gonna be like.
No, like if I say that.
Oh yeah, they're
If
gonna
I'm
be
like, I'm really into.
You're from another country. Please come here.
They're gonna ask me if I live in an igloo.
Maybe.
They're gonna ask me if I live in an igloo.
And we do.
No, they
By
don't.
the way.
No, we don't.
By
Stop
the
it.
way.
No. We don't live in an igloo. Anyway, so that's it for this month. Really sorry if you're new here.
We're very sorry.
You're probably not watching it anymore if you are, so that's okay. And we'll see you in the next video. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm sorry.